Let's talk about how Security2's Cloud Radius works with Azure AD, which is now called Entra ID. So Security2's Cloud Radius does certificate-based authentication. So first you have to get certificates on all the devices, which you can use with Security2's PKI services. For Entra ID or Intune managed devices, that's using our Intune third-party CA API or onboarding client. Once that's all done, those certificates on the devices, and so when the device wants to connect to the network, they'll present their certificate and your network infrastructure will forward that off to Security2's Cloud Radius. Our Cloud Radius is going to start by just checking the certificate and making sure that it's from the correct certificate authority and it's still valid, and it's going to check the Security2's CRL, certificate revocation list, to make sure that that certificate still deserves to get access to the network. Then the second part is going to be our real-time validation. So you can configure really any sort of identity validation you would like at this point, but any sort of check in your directory, maybe that's Entra ID, maybe that's Okta or Google, but Security2 can use the email attribute inside the certificate to go validate any sort of identity information. Maybe it's just a user status, but it could be whether they changed a group or not, or what group that they're in, or it can be maybe the risk profile if you're using something like Okta. It can check that and deny or allow access, or put you in a different VLAN. You could also do identity validation with a device management system. So you can use the serial number in the certificate attribute, and then you can go check any number of device attributes. So that could be the compliance of the device. So it's very commonly used to maybe put someone in a quarantine VLAN for a temporary amount of time. You could also check the risk score as well in a security system, if you'd like. The other unique thing about Security2's Cloud Radius is it offers 5 nines of availability. So that's less than 5 minutes of downtime in a given year. And so you don't have to manage a Radius service. We completely manage that in the cloud, and you have a lot of peace of mind that it's always going to stay up and everyone can use your network.